Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into this channel. It's your girl Chante, and if you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscription button, followed by the notification bell so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. So I want to bring you guys this fabulous look on this Jackie Aina palette, Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just showing you guys here a quick view of it. I am obsessed with this palette. When I tell you Jackie did the damn thing, I am so excited. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have the Pat McGrath setting powder under my eyes. I'm just showing you guys the iridescence of this palette. The shades are all super bomb, so very brown girl friendly. So I went in with the first shade that I went was Ginger, and I just tried to use that as my transition shade on my lid, and I knew I was going with something like a darker look. I didn't exactly know what I was going to do, but I was feeling that purple, so I went with that, and you'll see that in the next few clips. So I'm just here just like lightly packing this on, getting it going, getting it in, and just trying to smooth it in. I didn't know what I was going to actually end up making the look like, and then it just came to life as I was recording, and it ends up being so amazing. The colors blend out so perfectly. So I have that purple spread across my entire lid, and then I take this Trust Issues, which on here it looks like white, but look, I cannot deal with it. Like, can you see that? Just one dot on my eye, and it's a problem. It's a problem. Like, I was already excited at this point. So now, as I keep going, it more so, I don't know, the color came off a little bit different than I expected. I was really expecting like really stork white, but that's not what I got. But I still loved it anyway. It was a very, very nice shimmery shade, and I just packed that on and ended up going here with a halo look. So I'm just filling it in with, I go in with Big Wig. That's the purple that I went in with. So I just ended up filling in that Big Wig on the both sides so I can get that. And then here you see my antics saying Jackie Aina needs to be sent to jail. She's going to jail because this should be illegal. How bomb this palette is. Like, it is beyond me. So just keep packing in that Big Wig. And then I go in with Wigglies. And some of that Suprema. And just go, just to give some more of like a nice gradient and to blend it out. I just use those two colors. So now I zoom in a little bit so you guys can really see what's happening here, and I dust away that shade. I had tried to do like an eyeliner, a pink eyeliner, but I really wasn't feeling it, so I just had to brush that away and clean it up a bit. And then here I'm just cleaning up some of those specks with a clean brush from the Trust Issues, because the glitter's all over or whatever. And then just keep going in and trying to blend her out. And then now I'm going to go and do the other side and bring it to you. Because I was obsessed with all these shades. I almost ended up using all of them, but I was able to contain myself and only use the ones that I mentioned. So right now I'm going to come back to you guys, and boom. Here is this bomb.com look. Now my foundation, if you saw my previous videos, was Pat McGrath's foundation. And this palette, like, I really truly hope that Jackie comes out with, oops, dropped the brush, comes out with more shades not more shades, another palette collaboration, because this was so bomb. Like, I've done multiple looks since this video, and every time, like, it's just so effortless. This is an amazing first time beginner eye palette because they blend so seamlessly. The colors work like magic together, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with this, but like every time I open this palette, I just calculate in my head, boom boom boom, execute it, and it comes out flawless. The color payout on there is so amazing, and it's so true to color when you put it on your face. So I highly recommend you get your hands on this bad girl before it sells out, because like there are so many palettes out in the market, but for me, like, this has been the one that I go to every single time. I used to take my Mented foundation palette with me everywhere. Foundation eye palette with me everywhere because it was so seamless. And now that's what I'm saying here. Like, I can take this everywhere. It's small enough to take with me on every trip. This is really my go-to, and I highly recommend you check her out. If you are new to makeup, if you're out here and you're an OG, you can do so many amazing looks with it. You have so many options. The packaging is super cute, and it's just, you know, it's one for the culture. For real, it's one for the culture. So I think that if you are into doing like sultry looks, you can get a good look out of this. I am not one, like, I think the amount of colors and the pops that are in here are perfect for me. And here you just see me saying that I use the Too Faced setting powder and my Ace Boom Coom, my Mented Cosmetics Season 2 bronzer and highlight, and just telling you how much that helps complement. Like, this is really a black owned brand video, because even if this is not black owned, which black owned collaboration / brand video, because this is just like, I'm so excited for all the products that are available for women of color. And I feel like for me, it's always hard to find an eyeshadow palette that, like, I didn't have to put on like concealer and set my eyes. Went right in with the shade, and it was immediately a pigment that I could see. It wasn't like ashy and no bad undertones. So I really recommend this, and I hope you guys really enjoyed. This was a really quick video. It was a simple, quick look, and I hope you learned something. I hope you go and get this palette and get one for your mom, your sister, your cousin, and I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise right atop my cranium. Stress weight the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Everyday like deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle while I'm alive in my physical, yo. And money soon be the ritual.